I can't escape this hell. So many times I've tried, but I'm still caged inside. Somebody get me through this nightmare. I can't control myself. So what if you can see the darkest side of me? No one will ever change the animal I have become. Help me believe it's not the real me. Somebody help me take the I can't escape this hell. Somebody help me through this night. Into the abyss will I run. I can't escape myself. So many times I've lied, but there's still rage inside. You come on like a bloodstained hurricane. Somebody get me through this nightmare. I can't control myself. So what if you can see the darkest side of me? No one will ever change this animal I have become. Help me believe it's not the real me. Somebody help me take this animal I have become. Help me believe it's not the real me. Somebody help me take this animal. Somebody wake me from this nightmare. I can't escape this hell. You walk out like a woman in suffering, while leaving mother now to tell me why. You come along, living on the bus seat of the moment, leaving me broken another time. You come on like a bloodstained hurricane, leave me alone, control this time. You carry on like a holy man, pushing redemption. I don't want to mention the reason I know that I am stricken and can't let you go. When the heart is gone, there's no hope that will know that I am crippled by all that you've done. Into the abyss will I run. So what if you can see the darkest side of me? No one will ever change this animal I have become. Help me believe it's not the real me. I wanna know if I'm healing inside.